I'm Dr. Shweta Vazir, obstetrician and gynecologist. Today, I'll be guiding you through a comprehensive overview of laparoscopic and hysteroscopic surgeries, which are modern, minimally invasive techniques that have really revolutionized women's healthcare. In the past, gynae surgeries meant large incisions and long recovery times. But today, with laparoscopic and hysteroscopic surgeries, we diagnose and treat complex conditions using very small incisions, advanced cameras, and precise instruments, which ensures faster healing, minimal pain, and better cosmetic results. Agnostic laparoscopy allows us to directly visualize the uterus, ovaries, and fallopian tubes through a tiny incision near the navel. It is often used for unexplained infertility, chronic pelvic pain, suspected endometriosis, or tubal blockage. This simple procedure helps us not only to diagnose but also treat conditions in the same sitting if needed. Ovarian cysts are common and often harmless, but when they become large or painful, laparoscopic cyst removal is the best option. Using just small 2 to 4 millimeter incisions, we carefully remove the cyst while preserving the ovary, ensuring fertility and hormonal balance remains unaffected. Fibroids are non-cancerous growths that can cause heavy bleeding, pelvic pressure, and fertility issues. With laparoscopic or hysteroscopic myomectomy, we remove fibroids through minimal access, reducing blood loss, hospital stay, and recovery time. Hysteroscopic surgery performed through the vaginal route leaves no visible scar at all. Endometriosis is a painful condition where tissue similar to the uterine lining grows outside it, causing chronic pain and infertility. Through laparoscopic endometriosis surgery, we remove these abnormal tissues with precision, offering a relief from pain and improving the chances of conception. Women seeking permanent contraception, tubal ligation offers a safe and effective solution. However, if fertility needs a change, tubal recanalization, a delicate laparoscopic procedure, can reopen the blocked tubes, restoring the possibility of pregnancy. Most of these surgeries are performed as daycare or short-stay procedures. Patients return to light activity within just 1 to 2 days, and they resume full routine within a week or two. We ensure a personalized follow-up, post-operative guidance, and emotional support at every step. While these surgeries are very safe and effective, the results would depend upon your surgeon's experience and facilities. Women sometimes delay treatment due to a busy schedule or social barriers. Minimally invasive surgery helps break these barriers as there is shorter hospital stay, smaller scars, and faster recovery, enabling women to return to their families, careers, and dreams sooner. We provide every woman with a personalized care that is precise and rooted in trust. Whether it's fibroids, cysts, endometriosis, or fertility concerns, we are here to help you heal with confidence and comfort.